Did you do anything exciting?
I went swimming.
Anything else? Come on.
Hi, my name is Michael Hadeleye. Welcome to Africa's Online Film School. Today I'll be talking about rule of thirds and its application in real life.
No, I'm okay.
Rule of thirds is the most popular rule in creative design. Whether you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or a graphic artist, you need to have a good understanding of the rule of thirds.
Prince Hans of the Southern Isles.
As a visual storyteller, your primary goal is to create visual content that is well composed, framed, and arrangements of the elements on the scene are done in such a way that it pleases the eyes of the viewers.
Not you're awkward, but just because I'm awkward. You're gorgeous.
The rule suggests that you divide your scene into 3 equal parts vertically and horizontally, which gives you 9 cells, and place your elements on the points where these lines meet. This rule has been observed by a lot of photographers, cinematographers, graphic designers, and it has a way of making your creative work appealing to the eyes. Why not try rule of thirds in your next production? I can assure you that this is going to make your production more creative and appealing to the viewer's eyes. If you love this video and you would love to see more, kindly subscribe, like, follow, and comment on all our social media platforms. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.